Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Ulta beauty website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser in your device and then in the address bar type in ulta.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ulta website, from which, in order to log into your existing account, you can simply click on the account icon at the top right corner. Now, from this page, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password to sign into your account. So go ahead and type in the email address that you used to create your account in the first place, and then type in the password for your account. After typing both of these, go ahead and click on the sign in button, and now you will be logged into your account on the Ulta Beauty website, and you can immediately start browsing through the various offers and items. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.